Durant, Oklahoma, make some noise right there, our final category. All right, gentlemen, line up and face the west as we ask you to move a little bit closer to the center of the arena. And also I want to give a shout out to that young man that was dancing on the far end. He had a red sweatshirt, gray pants. He was giving it everything he had over there. Our future is bright for all of our upcoming categories. Also, I'd like to acknowledge Angelo Begay. He came out here and wanted to dance alongside all of his chicken dance brothers, but out of respect to his father-in-law, he said, you know what, I just want to come on out and just have some fun and jam out, but I am going to step aside and allow our visitors to make their way down here. So that's very, very awesome to see. So, Angelo, I tip my hat to you. Fourth place winner right there. Is that Maurice? Maurice Begay, fourth place winner. I got one right so far, Howie. All right. We're off on a rockin' start. All right, third place winner coming up. Again, as we are winding her down here, again, we are asking all you good people to patronize all the eating spots over there at the casino. I did hear Smash Burgers under construction. Man, I was looking forward to that one.
You mean the burger is under construction or the restaurant is under construction?
All right, here we go. Third place winner. Right there, Brody, Screaming Eagle. Third place winner, Austin, Texas. Or Houston, Texas. All right, your second place winner coming up right here. Mike is needing confirmation. Second place winner, Justice Wolf Leader. Second place winner. As we are going down to the champion. There he is right there at the very end. How about a round of applause? First place winner. Marshall Rosales, I know him as brother. I was trying to be good with it. But a round of applause to all of these remaining chicken dancers. Congratulations as we are winding.